Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Gamers Games and Model Making. Today we're going to be doing a review of this box from Takom. It is an A-type Panther late production full interior. I just want to start the video by thanking all my subscribers. You can like the video, dislike the video, leave comments below, subscribe to the channel. We're doing a build along of a JagdTiger. We're also doing a Berg Panther, and when the Berg Panther is done, we'll be starting this Panther. Is a late production, but the reason I want to show you this is because I have some cool goodies that are going to go along with this. So we're just going to go quick through the box to see what's in there, and during the build I'll give you more in depth of what the sprues look like and everything as we build it. As you can see, the box is stuffed to the brim with parts. We have here your road wheels, your sprockets, and your torsion bars. That's what's in here. It's going to be your torsion bars. I know it's crinkly plastic. I'm not going to open them out of the plastic because I rebag all mine in Ziploc bags, and I'll do that at a later date. Here is your, it's a multi-part hull. Here is your outside sections for that. You have some engine covers. The molding on these kits is very nice. I am a big fan of the Takom kits. I have quite a few of them because I'm such a fan. Here are some more of your different engine cover choices. Some of your tools. Tools look pretty good. They do have the mounting clamps already on them, molded on. Sometimes I remake mine and sand them off. If I do that, I'll show it in my video. Here's some more ammunition and things like that. Bottom of the turret. And we have our M sprue, which is going to be a lot of our drivetrain, a lot of the engine components, and some more of your engine cooling, some transmission pieces. Looks like your sides of your transmission right over here. And we have the top of the top hull, and then we have the turret box and the jig for the tracks. If you want to see how these tracks work, check out my Berg Panther video on tracks. There's a couple of them, and they're tricky. I do a video explaining how it's done. Here's your outside for your drive wheels. You got some toe clamps, some more tools. These tools do not have tool clamps on them, so I might choose to use those to make some tool clamps. And then on this side we have some inner armor thickness pieces, the rear. It's the sides for the engine compartment. And then we have what appears to be a non-slide molded one-piece barrel. So that's not too bad. And 3 different mantlet choices. There's 2 different options in this kit, I believe. So, look at that. And then we have the bottom of the hull, bulkheads, some exhaust choices, some 2-piece parts that look like they would make up part of the gun in two pieces. Take a look at that. And here are the lovely tracks. They are link and length tracks, but you have to glue all the guide horns on. And like I said, I have a video on how to do this, and I'll make another one when I build this one to show you how tricky they are. And I talk about some techniques in the Berg Panther. I believe it's part 9 or 10 on my channel you can check out. We got some rear bulkhead tanks, some of the cooling vents. Everything is mixed on these sprues, so you're hunting around for the different things. Here are your ammo heads, the heads for the projectiles for your ammunition. Some more. This looks like your engine pieces, your air filter. And then here is all your ammunition, a whole sprue of single-piece ammunition. And then we have the book with some other stuff. So I'm going to put this all back in here real quick, guys. As you can see, this is a full box. We're going to move this out of the way. because I want to show you what's in here. We have some photo-etch. And it looks like we have some corrections. Let's see what we have here. We have some tow cable, some smaller tow cable, and then we have a piece of rubber hosing. That's pretty cool. And then we have this piece of photo-etch. Not quite sure what that is. It's like a star pattern. And we have our engine grills. And then we have individual little stencil type markings for decals. And then we have the actual markings for the two different build options. First, we have a correction. Putting the drive wheels on, I recommend that you put the drive wheels on at the end. As you can see in my Panther, this is a 2018 kit. Let's see where this one wants you to start. You got your sprue map, lots of sprues. This one you start with the same. It's pretty much the same as the Panther. It does have you removing some stuff that's different, and then gluing some pieces to the hull, building the transmission. It doesn't have you fitting the transmission right away, which is nice. Like I put that down before painting, and I should have painted. Drilling some holes, putting on the torsion bars, putting on more pieces of the hull. I'm going to go through this in more detail in the beginning of the build, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be putting on these side panels before I glue them on and paint them, because I ran into some issues where I painted the side panels, installed them, and then it had me add more stuff to the side panels. There's the tricky track assembly, and then the engine. I like to build my engines and transmissions first. And then, basically, a machine gun. Here is pictures for the interior. Oh, it's actually stapled in here. So you got MIG colors, which I've actually gotten some MIG paints, and I like them a lot. Different ammo colors. And then you got this one, and then you got some details of the engine. Oh, this is nice. It actually has the details of the radios on the top. My Panther didn't detail any of this. And then you have details for painting the turret. And then we go on to the top section, and we're going to go to the back here on the, and then here's your painting options right here, your different options. Not quite, I haven't seen in here what the two different, it says 2 and 1, but I haven't seen the different, what they look like. I guess I'll find out further into the look of it. And they also have a early and a mid-early. I do have an early. But the main reason I wanted to show this kit off is, yeah, that's all nice and dandy, but I received this in the mail. It is a Big Ed kit for the Takom Panther A late kit. And I'm going to show you what's in here, because this has sparked my interest and is making me want to do this after the Panther along with the JagdTiger. This is an exterior kit. It comes with tool clamps. As you can see there, I'll bring you in for this. You can see what we have here. We got some photo-etch tool clamps and different chains and pieces. That's the exterior kit. And then we have, which I think is the most amazing, is this interior kit. It's got radio details. It's got dials, gauges, buttons, knobs, handles, the rear plate for the radios. This has got me excited. And it's also got the metal ammo racks for you build for your ammo, to hold your ammo. It's got the deck plate for inside. This is awesome. I'm still trying to find out who sent this to me, because I want to thank them, and I also want to know where they got it, because I want to know if there's any other ones for the early edition. And then it comes with the Zimrit. So you can see you can apply Zimrit because it is a late model, and it would have had Zimrit applied in the factory. I've never applied photo-etch Zimrit, but this makes me want to do it. I want to build this kit. So that's going to do it for this this video. It's just a quick review of this kit to talk about it, and you know it's going to happen. It's definitely going to happen because I want to get into this photo-etch. The photo-etch is gorgeous. That radio detail just makes me want to build it. But we're working on the JagdTiger. Subscribe, check that out. Donate to Patreon if you want to. Like the video, dislike the video. If you dislike it, write a comment or just leave a comment. That's going to do it for this video. I am the Crazy Gamer for Crazy Gamers Games and Model Making. You guys have a great day.